Welcome beautiful students, writers and entrepreneurs to my channel. Today's video is made specially for all of you guys because we're going to be talking about one app, or should I say one site for you guys that we all can actually make use of, and win-win-win. The site we're going to be talking about in this video is Springboard. Springboard is an article rewriting site where we can actually control plagiarism, and with the help of Springboard, many writers have been able to make a lot of money online on Fiverr, Upwork, and etc. So if you want to know how to make use of Springboard, keep watching as we dive into the video. When you search springboard.com, this is actually the site they are going to bring you to. So what is Springboard? Springboard is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text into additional intelligent readable text. Similarly, if you need a paraphrasing tool, Springboard will get the job done for you. So that is all. That is what a Springboard is all about. Then how do you make use of Springboard? It's actually just to copy and paste, or you can go ahead to write your own article here. So if you prefer writing the article by yourself, you go ahead and type it. If you have an already existing document or article that you would love to rewrite, you can go ahead and search for it in your phone documents and copy the article or document, whatever it is, then go back to Springboard and paste it on the site. If you notice, here you can actually paste maximum of 10,000 words or character in the site, but for the sake of this video, I'll be making use of just this this text to illustrate or to show you guys how it actually works. Go ahead and click on the box being capitalized word, then click on I am human. They are going to bring out this option. So here I was asked to select the number of drops, so I did that and clicked on verified. After doing this, you'll be given access to the site to actually rewrite your article. Then when you are done with that, click on go, and your article has finally been rewritten by the site. All you just have to do is to scroll down to where you're going to see rewritten text. Okay, so the rewritten text says Elijah was an incredible prophet of God who played out a few wonders, yet he was not the Superman. While we will scroll up, we will see that the original text reads that Elijah was a great prophet of God who performed several miracles, but he was not the Superman. There is the easiest trick that you can actually use to rewrite your article, be it for academic purpose, be it for your business, or to sell articles to people. You can actually use the site for many purposes. After converting your article from Springboard, you can go ahead to use Grammarly app to re-edit the content, because it's not really advisable for you to just go ahead and to make use of the article you actually converted from Springboard like that, or to give it to a client like that. So what you just have to do is to use the Grammarly app, or you can actually go through the article, the content itself again, and to make necessary corrections, because the site actually converts even words that you don't want to change the initial meaning, but the app will go ahead to change it. So to actually prevent this from happening frequently,
you have to reread the article and also make use of Grammarly to correct every other sentence that has been misplaced. So that is actually a good step. What are the ways you can actually make money out of Springboard? Number one is by writing ebooks. You can actually do this for yourself or for someone else by writing ebooks. Going online. Make your own research and rewrite on this. So the materials you have actually gathered, and make your own content, be it on business, lifestyle, etc. You just make your own ebook and start making money out of it. Another way you can actually make money out of Springboard is by rewriting people's articles. Like when you go to sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and GoWork.com, you will get to find clients who need writers to rewrite their articles for them. So what many freelancers do in those platforms is that they accept this job and take this content to Springboard and rewrite it, and we read these articles that they have rewritten in Springboard to their own tests, and send it back to their clients, and get paid in dollars for it. So if you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.